Welcome to Think a Bit. Now, I'm on my favorite site, CoinMarketCal. You guys should definitely check it out if you've never seen it before. It tells you important dates of events, of projects, when they're releasing new stuff, when new stuff is happening, just important dates. Definitely go give it a look if you've never seen it. I bet you guys are all smart and you guys all know about it. But anyway, I was checking out Ren. I remember Ren. I was messing with Ren for a long time. And I was with it at its all-time high. And I didn't sell, and then it crashed, and I lost a lot of money. But it's back in the news. I'm back on Ren again. Ren again. Alright. Anyway, they have some new update coming out. Mainnet Upgrade. Ren Mainnet will upgrade to version 4 Monday, May 3rd through Sunday, May 9th. Wow, some kind of upgrade to the mainnet. So what does this mean? What is it? All right, this is CoinMarketCap. The price is around $1. It's been stuck around $1 for the longest time. Will this new news push it over $1? Let's check out this new news. Maybe this new news could push the price up, get it past $1. You know what I mean? All right, here it goes right here. RenVM version 4, I guess point 4 release prep. Let's see what this is. April development update. Actually, really May development update because it's April 30th. All right. We don't care about this low key. We just want to know about this. The mainnet. RenVM. For the last month, the development team has been mostly focused on the recent release of RenVM, which will begin rolling out early next week. Why not yesterday? This is Ren's problem. They always take forever to do anything. They could have rolled it out probably last week. They always take their sweet time. That's probably why the price crashed. And it's probably why it's always stuck at $1. But anyway, let's keep going. This release is substantial, although most users will not see any significant changes when using RenVM applications. It's substantial, but most people won't see a change? How is that possible? That just contradicts everything you said. Maybe, I don't know. However, developers' lives will get easier. What? Developers' lives already are easier. Have you ever met a developer with a hard life? Or lives, whatever you want to call it? They're just living it up. What Ren should have did is not help developers, help the underdeveloped or the undeveloped. Then the price would have climbed, I bet. But they're helping developers, of course. The rich get richer, help the rich people. But and RenVM will be in a better position to support the large array of incoming changes that we have planned for it. The Darknode operators will also, soon after the release, notice that claiming fees will no longer need gas. So I guess that's kind of positive. You don't need gas for fees or fees for gas, however you want to say it. Maybe that, could that push the price up? You don't need fees for gas or gas for fees? That might be able to push it up a little bit maybe. This particular feature will take a little bit of time to roll out. Oh, of course it will, Ren. Of course, everything takes time. But it is long, but where's I at? Fully, but it is a long-awaited change and a big part of our recent rest in peace to begin a community-governed fund. A recent REP, I don't know what that means. Alright, that's whatever, I believe you. The release is planned to roll out over the first week of May, starting first thing next week. Why? You could have started rolling it out yesterday. Stop. I mean, come on, man. While a bull run is still here, we gotta move faster, Ren. We can't be just lollygagging around. Before you know it, the bull run's gonna be over. You gotta put the pedal to the metal. You know, you gotta push it out fast, faster. All right, where was I at? As we have always done, this rollout will happen gradually. That's probably why the price is stuck, as we've always done, slowly and slowly, to decrease the chances impact of an error. Once the rollout is complete, RenVM will be in position where it is able to introduce members of the Greycore. What is that? I never even heard of a Greycore. We'll begin introducing them on a new testnet, and then once that's proven stable, we will introduce them on the mainnet proper. See our roadmap for more information. Oh, great, they have a map. Let's check it out. All right, check out this roadmap. What? Where's the compass? Where's the little key at that tells you how to use the map? This is the worst map I ever seen in my life. I can't tell no directions with this. You have to click this or something? No, just don't even click. This map is horrible. I don't like this map. Someone got to tell them the map's not working. I don't get this map for real. This has to be the worst map I ever seen. I am not gonna get there with these directions. Alright. That's horrible. Alright, so in conclusion, Ren V4 mainnet, what's your thoughts on it? I mean, they're helping developers, not to undevelop. That's a pretty bad thing, I think. But it's reducing gas fees, so there's no longer gas fees. That's pretty good. Could that make the price jump up? It could. It could maybe make the price jump up. I mean, Ren's like $1 now. If I had $1, I would definitely buy some Ren. If I had $1. Can anybody let me borrow $1? But anyways, maybe you guys could comment down below and tell me what this means, because I did not really understand Ren's explanation. You know, they had to put a lot of stuff in there, filler in there. But if anyone could draw me a better map, because their map kind of sucked. If anybody can make a better road map and post it, because I just didn't get that map. But anyway, thanks for your time. And what's your price prediction for Ren? I think it's going up, man. I think it's, I don't know if it's going to see its all-time high of, like, I think it's around $2 or something like that. I don't even know if it's going to get back up to $1.60. But I definitely think it's on the come up. And for the end of May, I do think it's gonna break over $1. Cause let's check the price one more time. Yep, it's 99 cents. I almost can guarantee for the price of May, it'll get over $1. So I'm gonna start looking in my couch for some change, seeing if I could get that $1 to buy some Ren. But anyway, that's all I got for today. Thank you.